crap, guys. What a mess. I am adding on to my dream workbench, making it actually my dream. I have been sanding like no other. Those are all the blocks. Because what we're doing is we're attaching this table to this table, and what a mess. There is sanding dust everywhere. All I have left to sand, as you can tell by my lap, it's everywhere. I don't know if you can tell. There you go. But all I have left to sand is this backboard, which is full of these bins that are over here. And the edges, and we're ready for paint. But look at that. What a mess.